Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka BJYM Shillong City District ha khatnyong trek na itong arja upon rio. Kalarakhi kan mau burom ya kalingku sngiyam ka basispa akan dai voicenam usim Tirot sing. Pan ai burom yung niu ngile la lloyd bapaw nam u baka jing slur baka jing iri jong u kadang betilenti ki pateng bamenta ha ka jilla Meghalaya. Lasdang ya program na kajing bu sentio ha ka dor jong usim Tirot sing bala penbut pat sa kajing ai khusnam shikinong job ha ka online reel making competition. Kabala pelong halor kapang inspiration of Tirot sing to youth in taking up the nation first policy. Dagi spaangot kinong isimbenta kilapha ya ki reels ha ka ni kajing yakop. Bara kajing bishar ka bastani bha ka reels jong rishat baskham kharling do klayo ya khusnam baningkong. Ka reels jong ka lasan shwarani klayo ya khusnam ka baar kat ba ka reels jong ka kamwa da tharang rabon klayo ya khusnam balai. Yai khusnam lasam du Dr. Bernard Lingdo ubalong kum ukongsan. Ringkat kajingedon lang kinong ilam ka Bharatiya Janata Party bat ka Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. Hang ni kaju kasngi ka party galapan panapat ba ya kajing penkai ka snat rekam batamai jong ka BJYM Shillong City.
The heart of Shillong comes alive. Every morning here begins with purpose, determination, and hope. For generations, this market has been more than a place of trade. It is where hard work, tradition, and community come together every single day. Tirot defended the land, freedom, and dignity of his people. Today, we honor that legacy by preserving our heritage, supporting local livelihoods, and serving our communities with honesty. Patriotism lives in honest work, kindness, and building a united India. From Tirot to nation first, the spirit of patriotism lives on in every hardworking hand, every shared tradition, and every citizen who puts the nation before self.
Every day is the same. Problems everywhere. People talk about change, but nothing really changes. What can people like us even do?
Maybe that's what people once thought too about Tirot sing.
What do you mean?
He stood against a power greater than his own because his land, his people, and their freedom were worth fighting for.
That was a different time. Not fighting a war.
Not the same war, but every generation has something worth fighting for.
So maybe the question isn't what can we do, it's what can I do?
As a new day begins in Yuda, the heart of Shillong comes alive. Every morning here begins with purpose, determination, and hope. For generations, this market has been more than a place of trade. It is where hard work, tradition, and community come together every single day. Tirot defended the land, freedom, and dignity of his people. Today, we honor that legacy by preserving our heritage, supporting local livelihoods, and serving our communities with honesty. Patriotism lives in honest work, kindness, and building a united India. From Tirot to nation first, the spirit of patriotism lives on in every hardworking hand, every shared tradition, and every citizen who puts the nation before self.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.